Today I'm going to take you guys through the exact arm day routine and the exact system that I have used for years to build my arms naturally. So every exercise that you're going to be doing here is going to consist of 3 sets total. When it comes to reps, every single set is taken to failure. No matter if we used heavy weight, lightweight, high reps, low reps, it doesn't matter. Failure, 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 this is the key. This is where you're sending the right signals to your body and you're forcing it to adapt and raise your baseline. So for the first bicep exercise, what you're going to do is pick one exercise with your palms facing the roof. Preacher curls, barbell curls, dumbbell curls with your palms facing up, anything like that will work. Anytime your palms are facing the roof, you're going to be working the peak of your bicep or the height of it. The first 2 sets I did here were done with weight I was pretty comfortable with. But the third set is where things get interesting. This set is something that I call an overload set. For this set, you want to pick a weight that you're not very comfortable moving. Even if you can only get half reps out of it, it's still very valuable. This is where you're forcing your body to adapt to the weight that you're using. Literally telling it that you need to be able to move this weight. And eventually, your baseline will raise. And that weight that you used to use for the overload set will become a normal set for you. This is really good for avoiding plateaus and helping you continuously move up the weight rack. You'll see here that I ended my set with hammer curls. This is something that I always do to squeeze out some extra reps at the end of my heavy sets, because hammer curls tend to be a lot easier than standard curls, so you might as well maximize the set as much as you can. After your overload set, you're going to drop down to about half the weight and bang out as many reps as you can. This is going to make sure again that you're maximizing your output, and it's a nice way to wrap up the set before you move on. Next up, you're going to move on to a tricep movement with your elbows by your side. This is going to work the lateral head of your tricep or the part of your tricep on the side of your arm. For this workout, I put 2 D handles on the cable and I did underhand extensions. With these, you want to pull the weight down and extend outwards at the bottom. This has been an incredible exercise for me. The squeeze is insane and I get sore every time I do these. You're going to do 3 normal sets of this with a double drop set at the end, going down about 20% for each drop. Next up, you're going to pick a bicep exercise with your palms facing each other or your palms facing the ground if you want to get more forearms involved. You could pick any exercise like hammer curls, rope curls, reverse curls, whatever you choose. These are really going to help thicken up your arm, thicken up your biceps, and these are the types of exercises that really help fill out your sleeves. Again, you're going to do 3 normal sets of these. The exercise that I chose here was reverse cable curls with the D handle. Again, an amazing exercise. Every time I do reverse curls, I feel soreness in places that I never usually feel. So it's a really good bicep exercise whether you're doing it with a barbell or a cable. And they're really good for developing your forearms as well. Next up, to work the long head of your tricep or the big part on the back of your arm, you're going to choose an exercise with your arms behind your head. Skull crushers, overhead cable extensions, and so on. For this workout, I chose overhead cable extensions with the ball. So I literally just grabbed the ball with no handle, no attachment. I love these because they're so easy on your elbows and you could do a bunch of different variations. You could put a D handle on it, you can use a bar, ropes, whatever you prefer. Always switch it up, and most importantly, do the one that you enjoy the most and the one that you feel the best connection in your muscle with. Last but certainly not least, forearms. This right here is a deadly forearm circuit. What you're gonna do is pick one forearm curl exercise, like cable forearm curls, barbell forearm curls, dumbbell forearm curls, whatever you prefer, and then one forearm extending exercise. Again, cable, dumbbell, barbell, it's your choice. And for the finisher, which is the real killer here, static farmer carries. What you're gonna do is grab some heavy dumbbells, just make sure it's nothing you can carry too comfortably, and you're gonna squeeze them as hard as you possibly can for 45 seconds. I'm telling you guys, the growth you'll see alone from this exercise will blow your mind. It's unbelievable. So you're gonna do these 3 exercises in a circuit with no rest in between, and you're gonna do 3 rounds total of this. So that wraps up the arm day that I've been doing for pretty much the last decade. And like I said, I was somebody who started with skinny arms. This is by far the best system that I have found to build my arms fast. But anyways guys, I hope you got some value from this. I have a ton of videos coming out soon to help you guys all achieve your dream bodies naturally, and to show you what's truly possible when you have the right systems in place. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching again. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.